Good morning, everybody. It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. The ramps are down. We haven't done one of these videos for a while. I've not been the one unloading the trucks, but I had to get out here for this one today. Anybody know what it is? This is the new Blackout Edition from Kawasaki on the KRX 4-seater. Comes with the sport front bumper, winch, K-Glow light, light bar, premium roof, sound system. Very nice. I love the seats, graphics. Looking good. It's got the sub in the back, the K-Glows on the back, sport bumper on the back, and then also 2-seat action, the KRX 1000 ES model. Very nice, very nice. What do you guys think of the color? Then behind it, you've got the Trail Edition. These are all 2025 model years. Trail Edition comes with a lot of accessories from the factory, including the Nerf bars, bumper, different color cage, cool scheme on the paint, sport rear bumper, and then the lifted edition KRX, because you know we got a ton of mud here in Utah. Not very nice, very nice. Kawasaki green on that one. It's got the fender flare extensions on it already from the factory. Rear view mirror. That's all standard on this edition. But enough of that. Let's get them unloaded. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We got basically anything you need in stock for the KRX. You want to make one of these yours? Give us a call. Have a great day, everybody. If you haven't made it by our new showroom, swing by. We'll give you a good deal, tour you around, and hook you up.